Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to do a little ice fishing. I'm going to be going to a lake I've never actually fished before, so I don't really know what to expect. But yeah, we got the Jeep all packed up and let's get on our way. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the sled all loaded up here and we're gonna head out to the lake and find a spot to set the tent up, put some tip ups out, and then we'll get jigging, see if we can catch anything. Really, hopes aren't too high. Never fished here before, but I guess we'll find out. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, we're out here on the lake and I got my 2 tip ups set up and using my 3rd line to jig around, see if we can't catch any panfish or anything like that. We got 1 flag right over here behind me and then 1 flag way over there. This one is in about, what was that? I think that was 9 feet, and the one over there is in I think it was like 16 feet, so it's a little deeper here in the middle, comes up shallow. See if we can't catch anything. If I catch anything, I'll update you guys and show you what we get. Sorry, that was terrible lighting. Alright, so I've been jigging for about a half hour now. I've only marked a couple fish, nothing's biting, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my 3rd tip up out and get the tent set up and just hang out in there for a little while. See if we get any flags. Hopefully we do. I think if we're gonna catch anything, it's probably gonna be pike or bass. Nothing wrong with that. At least keeps the day interesting. Get some action. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get that 3rd tip up in, pop the shack up. Guys, we got a tip up. Just popped up. I don't see it spinning. Come on. It's not moving. Oh, it's spinning. It's moving. Got something. Doesn't feel too big. It's not really fighting a whole lot. Oh, little pike. Little pike. Just a little guy, nice and thick, you know, not too bad. I don't know if I brought pliers, did I? There we go, guys. Got him unhooked. Not too bad. First fish of the day. It's about, I think it's about 1:30. You know, didn't get out here till about noon. So, gonna go ahead, get this guy released, get the tip up set back. And there he goes. Bye-bye. Just a little update, guys. It's about 2 o'clock. It's been a half hour since I caught that last pike. No more flags since then. I went out, checked all my tip ups, made sure the minnows were still on there, still alive and ripping around down there. They all were, so that's good. I thinking I should maybe start picking up in about an hour or so. I'm just gonna keep hanging out in here, stay nice and warm, and if I get any flags, I'll turn the camera on and I'll show you guys what's going on. Until then, I guess maybe drop a like for the video, please. I appreciate that. Maybe comment some ideas what you'd like to see on this channel. Alrighty, yeah, stay tuned. Alright, guys, I don't even know what the last thing you seen was. I think it was when I checked to make sure I had minnows on my tip ups, but from the lack of footage, I'm sure you guys can already guess I didn't catch anything else. I didn't even get any other flags. We got the car all packed up with our gear, and we're gonna head back home. Not a very eventful video today. I did go out yesterday, also not very eventful. I do have a couple clips that I'll probably throw in right here. Oh, I missed them. Make sure I still got bait on there. Oh, I didn't miss them.
Is that something you caught?
Check that out. Look at how big that perch is. You can put him in the fish tank.
Let's see it, bro. Bro, that's like a good fucking... It's bigger than my dick, you know?
God, you can't say that in my YouTube video.
Might go for a walleye?
That's the goal. But they're hard fish.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, so yeah, as you've seen those clips, I didn't catch a whole lot. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Not a whole lot went on, but I hope you did enjoy. If you could leave a like or comment some suggestions what you'd like to see or tips or something about making these videos better, I'd appreciate any feedback. Obviously I'm just getting started and videos should just keep getting better and better, hopefully. Well, Well, with that being said, I hope you had a great day today, and until next time, peace.